In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit AI. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, chat with the built-in AI to get help with code, and spin up a new project that you can build on right away. First, head to replit.com and log in. If you already have an account, use your usual sign-in method. If you're new, the sign-up flow is quick, and once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Get familiar with the interface. You'll see your recent projects and options to create something new. In the editor view, keep an eye out for the AI panel or icon. This is where Replit AI lives. If you see that panel available, you're ready to use it. Make sure you're in a project or an editor space so the AI can reference your files and context. Next, open the AI chat. This is your coding copilot inside Replit. You can type a prompt like, explain what this function does, paste an error message to troubleshoot, or ask it to generate a snippet in a specific language. The more specific you are, the better the results. Mention the language, the framework, and any constraints, like vanilla JavaScript, no external libraries, or Python 3.11 with requests. If the first answer isn't perfect, follow up with clarifying messages. Ask it to refine variable names, add comments, or show a minimal example. Treat it like an iterative conversation. Always review the code it suggests and run it in your Replit console to confirm it behaves as expected. If something fails, share the error back to the chat and ask for a fix or a more idiomatic approach. You can also ask for explanations to deepen your understanding, not just quick solutions. Now, create a project to put this into practice. From your dashboard, choose to create a new REPL, pick a language or a template that matches your goal, and give your project a clear name. When the editor opens, you'll see the file tree, the code editor, and a console or output pane. Use the AI chat to scaffold your project. Request a starter structure, a main file with a basic entry point, or a small task like setting up routing, reading a file, or writing a unit test. Keep prompts focused and incremental, so it's easy to run and verify each step with the Run button. As you go, ask the AI to add comments, suggest improvements, or explain trade-offs, then save your changes and keep iterating. That's it. Log in, use AI chat to accelerate your work, and create projects you can grow confidently.